welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is the February unboxing, the Glossybox. So if you have seen already in the thumbnail, you notice that this month's Glossybox is in a different style of box. It's absolutely beautiful, it's absolutely stunning. So I don't know why they revamped the box, but it looks really nice, really incredible. I did love the pink. I don't know if the pink boxes are still coming or they've just decided to revamp February's one, but I absolutely love it. So without further ado, let's get into showing you what's inside this month's box. Before I show you what's inside, I just wanted to give you a quick little update of what Glossybox are for those of you who are new to my channel and you don't know what Glossybox is. So Glossybox is a subscription service and you can choose the plan that suits you. It is a beautiful box like this. It returns to your door every month, and they are absolutely beautiful and credible because they send 5 beautiful products worth over £50. There's 5 different products in every box of each month. So there's like products you've never even heard of. There's loads of little testers as well, so you can test out new products. There's like skincare, makeup, you can get hair care stuff in there. You can get like scrunchies, there's all sorts, and I absolutely love them. So if you guys are interested in Glossybox, then please look in the description box below and everything is there for you to have a look. I absolutely love them, hand on heart. This is not a paid sponsorship. I would love to be working with Glossybox. If you click on my AWIN link, which I will leave in the description box below as well, that will also give you discounts of your first box. So this month's box, this is the February box. It absolutely looks beautiful and stunning. It's just like every other box. In this month's box, on the lid, it has a little saying. So it says here, beauty is in the best of possible vision of yourself, inside and out. And look, this is what it looks like. It's the same old thing. Yes, I've already opened it. So you undo the ribbon and you undo the tissue paper. And without trying to chuck the products about, I cannot wait to show you guys. First product inside this month's box is the Paradox Repair Conditioner. So this is the 3-in-1 conditioner, hair mask, finishing cream. So I absolutely love a good hair mask. I don't know about anyone else, but I absolutely love a good hair mask. The hair mask that I'm literally in love in right now, which my sister has got me into, is the L'Oreal Repair one, I think it's called. It comes with, it's like a little round tub. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I've got into that one now and I cannot wait to test this out. Next product we have inside this month's box is this little toner. These little mini ones, miniature versions, which you get some of. You do get full-size products as well, and you do get mini versions. I absolutely love the mini versions because say like if you've got a holiday planned or you've got a wedding and you're going away, or I don't know, if you're a job where you constantly are away all the time and you constantly need little minis, then these are perfect for when you go away. So this is the V-Gen Original Skin Essence Toner. Now let's give this a smell, shall we? Oh, that smells really nice. Oh, cannot wait to use that. But yeah, it's a lovely, a beautiful toner. Next product is this little guy here. So again, it is a little mini. So this is the BFF Brow Friends Forever Brow Gel. So this is the Grow and Groom Brow Gel Mascara. So, oh, and it's from the Beauty Crop, just in case you guys are interested. It's a little brow ones, and I absolutely love it. Oh my god, look at the tiny little ones. Oh my god, it looks cute. So cute. I have got loads, well not loads, but I've got a few gel products, but not actually like a brow gel, sorry, not a gel brow. But yeah, this will come in very handy. I love styling my brows. I love testing new things as well. I have actually purchased a brow stencil on the Shein website coming up soon, so watch out for that. But yeah, I just wanted to style my brows a little bit more better and hopefully this little brow gel will come in very handy. Got two more bits to show you. So next is this little guy here. So this is the Eyeliner liquid eyeliner. Now I love Eyeliner products. I love eyeliners. I've recently just got myself into liquid eyeliners, so I love them. I really do. Beautiful. I've just got myself back into liquid eyeliners, so I cannot wait to give that a go. And I do love the Eyeliner products. I never actually heard of Eyeliner before until I got these glossy boxes. Then last but no means least is my ultimate favourite product in this box, and it is this. So this is the Rituals Sparkling Hair and Body Mist. It is absolutely incredible. I love the Rituals. I absolutely love them so much. Let me spray some on my hand. Smells unreal. Absolutely smells incredible. It's not very sparkly. I would say it's just more like a mist. It does smell incredible though, but it's not very sparkly. I just sprayed it on my hands and you can't really see any sparkle or anything. But yeah, it smells incredible. If you are new to my channel, you guys know that I do love Rituals. I love anything to do with Rituals. They smell incredible. They get different ones. You get hand lotions, you get just trying to think of them all now. Hand wash, a body lotion, a body scrub, mists, candles. You can get so much of Rituals. They are absolutely incredible. I love them so much. So if you've never tried Rituals before, I highly recommend them.